वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात् कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणम् तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारम् प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तम् तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। Antoinne, lesson number 7. Churadigana. That Gana we will see. We have seen Vadigana and Devadi. Tudadi and Churadi it to be seen. But we know what happens. Same thing. Some dhatus, some specific dhatus we have to see for Tudadigana. Otherwise it is same. Only the Gana Vikrana is different. Sha doesn't cause any Angakarya. Same as Devadi only. And Churadi is different. That we have to see. We'll see that. Chur Adihi. Churadihi. The word is a compound. Churadihi. Chur. In the Dhatupata means the Grantha written by Pandit Maharshi. The text, Dhatupata. Dhatus are presented in 10 groups, 10 conjugations. Dhatus are divided into 10 groups based on the similarity in their conjugation. And the last conjugation is Churadihi. The Gana beginning with the Dhatu Chur steye, to steal. So therefore the Gana is called Churadihi, 10th conjugation, 10th group. So that is dealt in this lesson. Chur Adihi, Yasya, Ganasya, Saha Ganaha, Churadi Ganaha. That Gana, that group, beginning with the Dhatu, Chur Dhatu, is called Churadi Ganaha. It's a compound, Bhagavri Samasa. Churadihi, when we say. So 10th conjugation, Dhatus, and regarding the Karaka, so here we'll be seeing locative, that is Adhikarana Karaka, which is expressed in Saptami Vibhakti. And here he says locative, so Adhikarana. Saptami, not only Adhikarana. We know that Karaka Vibhakti, Upapada Vibhakti. So there are so many Saptami Vibhaktis are there. Upashtesha Saptami, Adhikarana Saptami, Adhara Saptami, Sati Saptami, Nimitta Saptami, Para Saptami. Sari Saptami I told. So many Saptamis are there. So here he is going to talk about only locative, mainly Adhikarana Saptami. So here also Adhikarana we see Karakas Vibhakti as well as Upapada Vibhakti. Then finally vocative Sambodhana. Sambodhana is simple. It is calling, addressing. Same as Prathama Vibhakti, only the differences will be in the Prathama Vibhakti in Sambodhana Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachana, the Pratyaya, something happens to the Pratyaya. The Pratyaya goes away. Most of the cases, the Pratyaya goes away. So that's the only thing. There are no other changes. So now the tenth conjugation, how to derive the forms are given. That we will skip. We will see that elaborately later. So that part we will skip. So we will just know the forms of the dhatu, because this we will deal with later. Don't worry about that now. Chuchur dhatu. Chorayati, chorayataha, chorayanti. Chorayasi, chorayataha, chorayata. Chorayami, chorayavaha, chorayamaha. Similarly, dharayati, dharayataha, dharayanti. Dharayasi, dharayataha, dharayata. Dharayami, dharayavaha, dharayamaha. Two examples as given. So there are many dhatus. So almost all the dhatus you will see will be declined in this way. So if you remember Chorayati, that is enough. I think I taught you the pratyaya which is added to the 10th gana.
Nich.
Yes, very good. Nich pratyaya. Nich is added to which dhatu? I mean, which gana? The dhatus of which gana?
10th gana. All gana. In fact, all ganas
Exactly.
can be added.
That's what I wanted to ask. Yes. Nich is added swarte, sasyarte. Sasyarte means in the meaning of the very dhatus of the 10th gana, nich is added. That is one nich. Not only that, nich can be added to any dhatu belonging to any group. Then what you get is not swarte, it is preranarte, causative. Even for 10th gana, you can add. Depending on the 10th gana, if you add nich, only one time only added, okay, not two times, no, nich only. The chorayati is a form. Whether it is swarte or paranarte, we know only from the context. For other gana, it is easy. Pat dhatu, if you add nich, pati, pataya, patayati, you get. So pat dhatu, first gana, it is patati, but if it's patayati, then we understand it is preranarte, causative. Cause to
Do the action.
cause to learn, means teach. That's the meaning. Chorayati can be stealing, he steals, or causes to steal. Possible. Depending on the context, we have to take. Okay. Swarte nich, preranarte nich. Okay. Then irregular forms. Spragdhatu, spragayati, spragayataha, spragayanti. Why it is irregular form?
Still Rukara is present, not Sir.
Yeah, exactly. It has not undergone any change. No guna here. Spragayati. Please note. Similarly, chad. Why it is chad is irregular form?
Dirgha has come there, Guruji. Chadayati.
Dirgha, it has to be there, right? Chad become chadayati only. What else?
Chad.
Anyway, here he says irregular form because he has not taught the rule. Okay, we know the rule. Very good. Leave it. So chad become chadi, then chade, chadaya, chadayati. Here he has not taught. So therefore he says irregular. Anyway, we know it. No problem. Okay, this table and all, it's not required. We know how to derive it, then we can do. Okay. These are all for those who study Sanskritam without the Paninian method of learning the grammar. For them, mainly for the foreigners, this will be useful, this understanding, but not required for us. So we can skip that. We know how to derive, how to apply the pratyaya, angakarya, etc. Sandhi, angakarya first and then sandhi, and know how to derive. Now, locative case. Locative case, adhikarana saptami. Adhikarana karaka, it will be saptami. To indicate the place where the action takes place. To indicate the place where the action takes place. Therefore, place is there where the action takes place. Please know the difference between this adhikarana saptami and the dhatu gachati. Ramaha vanam gachati. The action doesn't take place in the vanam. His movement is to his movement. The movement of this movement is to reach the destination. So destination is vanam. Therefore, it is Dvitiya. So we think Ramaha Vane Gachati. Vane Gachati means Rama goes in the forest, roams in the forest. He doesn't roam in the forest. He goes to the forest. Okay. There it is place of destination. If the action happens in the locus itself, then Adhikarana, then Saptami, it is called Adhikarana Saptami. So in English, it is rendered by the prepositions in, at, on, upon, among, etc. The preposition itself, English preposition itself is difficult. When to use in, when to use on. Right? I'm on the bus or in the bus?
On the bus.
On the bus.
On the bus, yes.
So when to use on, when to use in. So you can say, when you can move inside that vehicle, I think you have to use the word in. I'm in the bus. On the bus,
We
on
say
the bus, on
on
the
the
bus.
flight, Guruji, on the train,
On the
flight.
on the bus. You have to use on.
On.
If you're confined to, suppose, okay, with regard to car, I'm in the car or on the car? I'm in the car, not on the car.
Yeah.
I'm in the car because you cannot move. You are confined to your place. Whereas a train, flight, it's all you have space to walk, right? So I am on the flight. I am on the train. I am on the bus, not in the bus, on the bus. Whereas I am in the car. English itself preposition be difficult. Similarly, at, when to use at.
Yeah.
So this. What about the Sanskritam? Sanskritam is not that much difficult. Here it is easy. So once you know this is how it is, then it is the rules are there. Apply. One is Karaka, other one is Upapada. Simple. Then to indicate the time when the action takes place. So one is place, other one is time. This is called this. It is Desha Adhikarana, and Kala is Kala Adhikarana. In Greek, in summer. Here we don't use at summer, right? In English, in summer. At we use if it is specific at midnight, at noon. Here it in summer. Okay, after verbs indicating movement, yes, such as to fall, to place, to throw, to send, to enter, we use something. The tree falls into the lake. Vrikshaha hrade patati. So with these verbs, that into which something, I mean the action happens into the falling action placing. To place means stapayati. Saha utpitikayam upari pustakam stapayati. So to place, to fall, patati, to throw, kshipati. Saha hrade kandukam kshipati, throws a ball into the river. Similarly, to send, all these verbs will govern Saptami Bhakti. After verbs indicating movement, you can see movement. Movement means gamanam. So these dhatus are dhatus having the meaning. Dhatus having the meaning of gatyartha, movement, will govern Saptami Vibhakti. There are many gatyarthaka dhatus are there. To fall also is gatyarthaka. To fall means it's a movement. Similarly, to place, it's a movement. To throw, it's a movement. To send, movement. Enter, it's a movement. A displacement. When a displacement happens by any kriya, dhatu may be different, but it indicates displacement, movement. That gatyarthaka dhatu. So with gatyarthaka dhatus, the saptami vibhakti will be used. That is into which something happens. So in the English translation, you can say into. Okay. So if it is that, then saptami vibhakti have to be used. So you can remember the gatyarthaka dhatu. Accordingly, you can use. And to translate expressions like concerning, in the matter of, what is this saptami is called? I told you before, I think. Vishaya saptami. Which is other types of other saptami. Vishaya saptami. This is translated, Vishaya saptami translated as concerning, in the matter of, with regard to, in the sense of, so like that. In the matter of modesty, Hari stands first. So in the matter of modesty means Vinaya Vishaye. Vinaya means Vinaya Vishaye. With regard to Vinaya, with regard to humility, Harihi Pratamaha Tishtati, Hari is first. So this is Vishaya Saptami. So in some Vyakaranam also we have Samhitayam. In the context of Sandhi, when ek letter is followed by H letter, ek letter will be replaced by N letter. That is Samhitayam, Vishaya Saptami. In Vyakaranam we have Vishaya Saptami, Parasaptami. Parasaptami is a Nimitta Saptami. Not only Vyakaranam, here also Nimitta Saptami. All the Saptamis are possible. Nimitta Saptami, Sati Saptami, Adhikana Saptami, etc. So here it is Vishaya Saptami. You can see, when you see that in these words, in the matter of, with regard to, in the sense of concerning, then you have to understand it is Vishaya Saptami, Saptami, with regard to the subject matter. Then to indicate the object of emotions and feelings. Yes. He feels affection for or affection towards. Haro snigyati. So snigdhatu, emotions, feelings, snigyati, krudhyati, any emotion. Okay, any emotion or feeling. So to whom, towards whom it is directed. That will be Saptami. We have seen Chaturthi also, if you remember before. Chaturthi also is there, in Saptami also. And finally, vocative is used as a case of addressing. Okay. Then this is up to here. Okay. These are the Saptami Vibhakti. Now, specific Upapada Vibhakti, you can see here. If a Kriya Padam is preceded, is prefixed by Upasarga, then it governs Saptami. The verbs you can see here. A preposition prefixed to a verb. I mean, it's talking about the prefix. Okay. Karam dhatu, ati purvaka, ati karamyati, adigachati, anusarati, apacharati, abhidhavati, avadagati, anayati. Is introducing upasarga. So upasarga also we have seen. Upasarga dhatvartam anyatra niyate. Upasarga changes the meaning of the dhatu. Either it can modify the dhatu, intensify the dhatu, or completely give opposite meaning. That is also possible. Or same as the dhatu. Any of the four are possible. So upasarga. Upasargas are avyaya. They are padam. So in kriya padam we have seen upasarga should be added after adding, in the case of lang lakara, attakama. So we know very well upasarga. So here with some upasarga, what happens? You will see saptami is used. So like verbs preceded by a preposition is just giving the list of verbs. Generally, ud plus bu, ud bhavati produces upavishati, nikshipati, then nirvakati, nis plus to carry out nirvakati, paripatati, prachalati, pratigachati, v plus as vyasyati. to throw apart. Here the asdhatu, please note, asdhatu is not bhusatayam. Asatayam. Here asdhatu is fourth gana. As means ship, to throw. So vipurvaka as become vyasyati, to throw, scatter. Some plus some kshipati. Okay, this here he is introducing this, and later we will see when these dhatus with the upasarga comes, it will govern saptami. We'll see with the examples. It's going to come. Okay, now we'll get into the lesson. You can note this vocabulary here. So kat dhatu becomes katayati. Kat plus nich, ka will not become ka. Okay, we'll see all those things later. But you can note these dhatus as it is. Please note this dhatu. Kat is katayati. Kshal is no problem. Kshalayati. Gan is ganayati, not ganayati. Similarly, gush is goshayati, we know. Chintayati. Chur. Ikupada, therefore chorayati. Chad is antupada, therefore chadayati. Dandayati. Dr. Owing, tarayati. Palayati, pidayati. Pujayati. Of course, not rasva ikupada, therefore pujayati. Bakshayati. Bhushayati. Rach, not rachayati, rachayati. So this katayati, rachayati, the sandhatus where upada vriddhi will not happen. It belongs to kathadi gana where upada vriddhi is denied. We'll see why it is, how it is later. Santvayati, to console. Spragayati plus dative, it can govern. Spragayati governs chaturthi. Now, atikramyati, adigamati, anusarati, all these dhatus you can see, these upasargas will govern saptami. We will see
They
with
do
the
even
examples.
fourth gana, isn't it, Guruji? Adhi.
Which one?
Adhi and Ati.
Fourth gana meaning?
I mean, not fourth gana, Chaturthi Vibhakti also.
Example, what chaturthi? Like,
Adhi.
I don't remember.
In lesson 4 or somewhere when we were doing
lesson 4.
Paritaha, Ubhayataha, when we were doing that, Adhi Purvaka Dhatus get Chaturthi Vibhakti we read.
Adhi Purvaka Dhatu Saptami. Vasati, Adhivasati.
Adhivasati. That's where that lesson where we had Adhivasati.
Not the Adhivasati is Saptami. Where is Chaturthi there? Adhivasati, Saha.
Okay,
Ramaha,
I'll check that and get back to you.
Adhivasati, you use Dvitiya Vibhakti, not Ramaha Vane Vasati. Ramaha Vanam Adhivasati. We use Dvitiya Vibhakti, not even Chaturthi.
Dvitiya, okay. Sorry.
It is Dvitiya. Adhivasati, with Adhi Upasarga. Vasati, he lives. Ramaha Vane Vasati, he lives in the forest. If you use Adhivasati, Adhi will govern Dvitiya Vibhakti. Maybe you would have seen Dvitiya Vibhakti in second chapter. I don't know whether here is there. We are going Dvitiya Vibhakti. Okay.
Okay.
Not Chaturthi. Now let us do this. Translation of this exercise. It's a number. It is exercise number 7.
Page 30, Guruji.
Okay, now let us do the translation. Vocabulary, you can keep it open. If you have the book with you, you can keep this page open. Vocabulary we need. If you don't know, if you know it, okay, then translate the following. Vane Pashavaha Jivanti is given with Sandhi. Vane Pashavaha Jivanti. Translation is Ke Jivanti.
And Pashvaha.
What is the
Animals.
Pratipadikam?
Pashu.
Pashu Guru Shabdavat. Pashavaha Jivanti. Kutra?
Vane.
Vane Jivanti.
Vane. Then what Karaka Vane is? Adhikaranam.
Yeah,
The
Deshe.
place Jivati, that is also a Kriya only, Jivanam. So action happens in a locus. Therefore it is Adhikarana Karaka Saptami. Therefore Saptami Bhakti. Vane Pashavaha Jivanti. Okay. Next sentence. E Bala, okay. How do you read? E Bala, he, then Bala Agna Vindanam Kshipata.
Bala.
Agravindana.
You have to start with Kriya Padal. You don't start with the Bala. Okay.
Kshipata is Madhyama Purusha Bahuvachanam.
Therefore, it is Madhyama Purusha. It is addressing. Therefore, second person is. Therefore, second person is addressed by E Balaha. O boys, E Balaha, O children. Right? Yuyam Kshipata. Understood? Yuyam Kshipata. What?
Kshipata. Agravindhanam.
Not Agra. It is Na.
Agna Vindhanam.
Agna Vindhanam means?
Is it Agni plus Indhanam?
If it is Agni plus Indhanam, Yansandi will happen. If it is Agni plus Indhanam in this exercise, in this context, what is the use then?
Yakara. Yeah.
What is Agna Vindhanam?
No idea, Guruji.
Anybody?
Agnav plus Indhanam.
Agnav plus Indhanam it is. Indhanam is fuel. Agnav in the fire. Into the fire. Agnav. Agni Shabda. Saptami Bhakti. That is what we are dealing, right?
Yes.
Sandhi. Agnav plus, I told you Sandhi. Yes, given with Sandhi. And already we discussed, he also discussed this book. Suppose everything is Sandhi. Ye Balaha. Visarga gone. By what? Ye Bala. Is there any word? Ye Bala? Is there any word? Is there Ye Bala? No. Neither in Pullinga nor in Srilinga. When Srilinga we don't have Ye Bala. Ye Balaha here it is Bhagavachanam. Therefore it can be Pullinga or Srilinga. Okay. If it is Srilinga also, He Bale, He Bale, He Bale, He Bale, He Balaha. Pullinga, He Rama, He Rama, He Rama, He Rama, He Rama. Bala it is, there is no Sambodhana. So Visarga is because of Sandhi it has gone, disappeared. How it is? By what sutra? By what rule? What is the rule by which?
Followed by Yakara.
Followed by? Sorry? Preceded by Akara, followed by Ash letter. Therefore, Yakara, Adeshaha, Yakarasya, Lopaha. All this thing you remember, I hope, right? Ye Balaha it is.
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
You have done a lot of exercise in Sandhi. We will not do it again. Yes, 1 year, full 1 year, more than a year. So, Agnav Indhanam, that is also Sandhi. What Sandhi? Agnav plus Indhanam.
Ayadi.
Ayadi Sandhi, simple Ayadi Sandhi. Agnav Indhanam. When A is there, we have to see the letter in between.
Yes.
Therefore, it is Ayadi Sandhi. Agnav Indhanam Kshipata Yuyam E Balaha. Okay. The next sentence. Kupat Jalamanayati.
Jalam Anayate.
Kaha.
Kupat.
Somebody. No. Kaha I'm asking. Kopi. Someone.
Saha.
Yeah, Saha. Kashchit. Someone. Kupat. From the Kupa. Jalam Anayati. Kupat what vibhakti?
Panchami
Vibhakti. Apadane Panchami. From the well. He brings water. Okay. Then Kapotan Ganayamaha. Kapotan Ganayamaha means
Let's count the pigeons.
Pigeons.
Vayam.
Kapotan. Yes. Vayam. Yes. Vayam Kapotan
Ganayamaha.
Ganayamaha. We count the pigeons. Simple. Vanasya tarushu munihi vasati. Start from the Kriya Padam. Vasati. Kaha.
Vasati.
Munihi.
Munihi.
Munihi
Munihi
vasati.
vasati. Here also, is it Sandhi or what it is that?
Munir vasati.
Yes,
Yeah.
what is Repa?
It is Munir followed by not a kar letter. So therefore, one step back, it will be Repa, Munir Vasati, Munihi Vasati. When you do Sandhi Vicheda, Munihi Vasati. Kutra Vasati,
Tarushu.
Tarushu.
Vanasya. Vanasya.
Vanasya Tarushu. Okay, Tarushu, Kasya Vanasya.
Vanasya.
So translation is
Munis live at the trees in the forest.
Forest.
Say under the
sorry?
trees.
Because Tarushu is
Trees.
Saptami for
not
sorry.
one tree, okay. It doesn't live the top of a tree. So it lives where? In the trees of the forest.
No, among the trees.
Under the, generally it is.
Yeah,
It is supposed to be
among the trees of
Among
the
the
forest.
among.
That's the translation we do, right? It lives among the trees. Okay. Grihe karau mukam cha kshalayami. Kshalayami means
Aham kshalayami. I shall wash.
Alayami.
Wash.
not I shall, I wash. Shala ishyami means I shall wash.
Ishyami. Okay.
Moksha ishyami ma shuchaha. That is future tense. Right? Here kshalayami, I wash.
I
What?
wash. Karau mukam cha.
Karau is karta. Is it karta?
No. No. Aham is karta.
Agam is karta. Karau, then what is karau? Karaha karau.
Hands.
Hands, both hands.
What is that? Subject or object?
Object, Guruji.
It is 2-2. Ditya vibhakti dvivachanam. Ramaha Ramu, Ramaha Ramam Ramu. So karau, 2 hands. Mukam cha, and also the face. Kutra.
Grihe.
Grihe.
Grihe. Grihe is, that is Saptami. Adhikaranam.
Place.
Nripaha Shariram Ratnair Bhushayati. Here also Nripaha Shariram. What Sandhi? That's a Sandhi. Some Sandhi is between them. All the words, if you see, there's one Sandhi. Nripaha Shariram also Sandhi is there. What Sandhi?
Nrupashariram.
Nripashariram.
Shariram.
If it's Nipashariram, it should be Nipashariram. Why it is Nripaha Shariram? What Sandhi? When followed by Shar letter, replacement of Vitarga by Sakara is optional.
Optional.
Therefore, Nripashariram also okay. Nripaha Shariram also fine. Nripaha Shariram also Sandhi. Generally, you will see this Sandhi being applied all over. When followed by Shar letter, you will see Visarga. Generally, you will not see Visarga replaced by Sakara and then Shuttam. You don't see that. Now, all the text, if you see, when followed by Shar letter, Visarga will be there. But you have to understand, here it is optionality given to the replacement of Visarga by Sakara. It is also a Sandhi only. So, Nirpaha Sharim, don't think Sandhi has not happened. Here, Vashari rule is there. That is applied. So, Nirpaha Shariram, okay, fine. Ratnehi Bhushayati. Bhushayati means?
Wears. Like
Decorate.
decorate.
Dharati ityataha. He adorns himself. What?
Ratnaihi. It's one step backward here.
Ratnaihi. Yes.
Room.
Ratnaihi. Yes. One step back. That is the Repa is Ratnaihi Bhushayati with jewels. Kaha Nirpaha. Then what? Kim?
Shariram.
Shariram is karma. So therefore the king, he decorates himself, decorates the body, okay, with ratnas, with gems. Next one. Sukhaya Sprhayanti Naraha. Sprhayanti Spragdhatu Naraha Sprhayanti. What is the meaning? What's the meaning? Naraha spragayanti. What it means? Spragayanti means
To long for.
Spragha. Long for. Spragha is akara the Srilinga. But anyway, it's derived from that to Kriyapadam here. Spragayati. Just now we saw Spragayati, Spragayataha, Spragayanti. And if you see that he has given in the lesson itself, plus dative he has given, fourth case, Spragayati to long for plus dative. The fourth Chaturthi Bhakti. That is the object of your longing. Here it is, he longs for what? Sukha.
Sukhaya.
That is in Chaturthi. Sukhaya Spragayati. Sukhaya Spragayati. So, Sukhaya, you can see that Sukhaya is in Chaturthi. Chaturthi Bhakti. So, Spragayati, it's a rule actually. I will tell the rule later. This Spragha, it governs Chaturthi Bhakti. The Vibhakti, Karaka Vibhakti. Karaka discussed in Ashtadhyayi, the first chapter, fourth section, Karaka. Then second chapter, third section deals with Vibhakti. So Karaka, which is defined, is assigned Vibhakti, that is the second chapter, third section. So there it is there. In fact, it is Spragayati is Sampradana Karaka. Okay. Spragayati, that is here, it is that Sukhaya is Sampradana. It's not Upapada because there is a rule. Sprigehe ipsitaha. I told you, if you remember Karmana Yam Avipraiti, what is that? Karmana Yam Avipraiti Saha Sampradhanam. You remember, I just in Sutra I just mentioned. If you have heard me saying that, you can note Karmana Yam Avipraiti, by action. Yam Avipraiti, not by action. Karma is the object. The object is intended for whom? For whom the object goes. Sampradhanam. Kriya api Yam Avipraiti Saha Sampradhanam. So, and in that one more is there. Sprigehe ipsitaha. Sprigdhatu also. Sprigha. Sprigehe ipsitaha. Also Sampradhanam. So here Sukhaya is Sukha, it is Chaturthi, and Chaturthi is Sampradhana Chaturthi. This sutra, it is there in the first chapter, fourth section, under the Sampradhana Karaka. So that is why you can note this. The Karaka and this Vibhakti, sutra we will see later. Don't worry about the sutra, but you can note this. This is Karaka Vibhakti. Don't think it is Upapada Vibhakti. Okay. Sprigha ipsayam, Sprigdhatu, which is the Churadigana. In the Churadigana, the thing which is desired gets a sanya, Sampradhanam. Sampradhana is a sanya. Sampradhana Karaka is a sanya. Sprigdhatu belonging to the Churadigana, and that which is desired is called Sampradhana Karaka. You can say Pushpebhyaha Sprigayati. Means what? What is the meaning? Pushpebhyaha Sprigayati.
Lovers.
He longs for, he desires flowers. Palebhyaha Sprigayati.
Desires fruit.
Long for fruits.
See, Pushpebhyaha Sprigayati. Pushpebhyaha Vane Sprigayati. It means what?
Flowers long to be in the woods.
Pushpebhyaha Vane Sprigayati.
They arise in the
Forest.
forest.
What?
Flowers.
Saha Sprigayati. The object of Sprigha is Pushpa, and the flowers in the forest. He longs for flowers in the forest.
Mm.
Right?
Yes.
Ipsitaha. Okay. So, therefore, Ipsit Pushpebhyaha Sprahayati. Pushpebhyaha Vane Sprahayati. So, Ipsitam. Ipsitam means longing. Okay. Pushpani Sprahayati. It is, if you can say, it is Pushpani Sprahayati. But there it is, it is Pushpani is karma.
Yes.
So we say Pushpani is Pragayati. That depends on the Vivaksha. Okay. So it depends on, Karaka is different, depends on the Vivaksha. Generally, it is Chaturthi, Sampradana Chaturthi. But Karaka Vivakshayam, Pushpa can be in Dvitiya also. He desires flower. Pushpebhyaha Spragayati, Pushpani Spragayati. Both are possible. But as Sampradana, if so Pushpa will take Chaturthi. If it is karma, then it is Dvitiya. So we use karma as Sampradana. That depends on the context. Prakarsha Vivakshaya. Remember, Karaka is Vivaksha. That is Vaktuhu Vivaksha. Vivakshataha Karakani Bhavanti. The Karaka it depends on the deliberation of the speaker. What Karaka you want to assign. That is your deliberation, the speaker's wish. And that gives subtle meaning, actually. Subtle difference in the meaning. Pushpani spragayati, pushpebhyaha spragayati. So in the context, there is a difference in the meaning. Okay. But in usage, you have choice. You can say pushpani spragayati, shaha, or pushpebhyaha spragayati. If it is pushpani karma, if it is pushpebhyaha, it is sampradana. And in the context, a subtle difference you will see. That's why in Vedanta also, the difference is there in the usage of the words and the character. We explain that we do analysis of the padam. It's called pada. It's called pada vichara. For pada vichara, we need vyakarana. Without grammar, vyakarana, how will you do pada vichara? Shastra is about the vakya, the shabdas, shabda vichara. So therefore, we need to have pada shastra jnanam. That is vyakarana jnanam. Then only mimamsa is possible. Otherwise, how will you do mimamsa? So, anyway, that is regard to Vedanta study of Shastram. But here, even in Lokika also, there's a subtle difference in when you say he desires happiness, he desires, he long for happiness. Okay. So you can say Sukham spragayati, Sukhaya spragayati. He desires happiness. Sukhaya spragayati means there is some pravritti on the part of the person and he works for it. So that meaning is there. Understand? So there's a slight shade of difference in using the different karakas. Okay, anyway, let's can note this. If you ask how we can use karma, that for that we have to know, study the sutra. Okay. So anyway, that we will not go. Just this much. Sukhaya spragayati. In the lesson, it is in sampradana, that you take it as sampradana. That's okay. No problem with that. Then the next one, number 9. Dukkham dhanat udbhavati. What is the kriya padam?
Udbhavati.
What is meaning of udbhavati? Udbhavanam.
Arises.
Utpurvaka. Ut is up, rise. Utpatati, flies. Uddhara, lift. Mamuddhara, we say. Udharati. So here, udbhavati means produces, arises. Udbhavanam, creates. So what produces? What arises from what?
Dukkham arises out of
Dukkam arises
dhanam.
from dhanam.
So which is the subject here?
Dukkam.
Dukkham. That is Prathama Vibhakti.
Yes.
Dukkham udbhavati. Kasmat.
Dhanat.
Dhanat.
So Dhanat is what karaka?
Panchami Vibhakti.
Apadanam, therefore Panchami. Dukkha Dhanam. What you remember in the when you say Dukkha Dhanamudbhavati, that Panchami, similar type of Panchami is there in the Gita. What is that?
Kamat krodho vijayate.
Very good. What is it? Kamat krodhot bhavati, krodhat bhavati sammoha, sammohat smriti vibramaha, smriti brahmashat, buddhinashat, pranashyati. So Sangha Sanjayate Kamaha, Kamat Krodho Vijayate. Same thing. Dhanat Dukkham Udbhavati. Okay, next one. Patrehi Phalani Chadayati. Chadayati, covering, covers, conceal. Avaranam ityataha. Avranoti. Same meaning, all same meaning. Ishavasya vidam sarvam. Yatkincha jagatyam jagat. Isha vasyam. Achadaniyam. Bhashyakara will say, Achadyam should be covered. Yeah, same thing. Chadayati, conceal, cover, veil. What?
Patre.
But what is Chadayati? Okay, what is Chadayati? Chadayati means
Covering.
covers. Okay.
Covers.
Subject is
Pat.
Palani. Yeah?
Palani.
Palani means Chadayanti should come. Bhagavachanam. How can it be?
Yes.
Mismatch in Vachanam.
Yes.
Huh? Sorry?
Saha.
Patram is there.
Patrehi.
Patrehi.
Patrehi. Patrehi is subject.
Patrehi.
Yes,
No,
Saha.
no. It is
Saha. Very good. Somebody said Saha. Saha Chadayati. You have to supply Saha. Saha Chadayati. Saha, you have to Chadayati is Ekavachanam. Where is Ekavachanam here? And it should be Pratham Purusha Ekavachanam. Where is Pratham Purusha Ekavachanam? Palani is Bhagavachanam. Patrehi, not Prathama Bhakti at all.
Yes.
It is Katari Prayaha. So we have to supply Kaschita, Kopi, Saha, Chadayati. He covers. What? He covers the fruits, Palani, Karma. By what?
Patrehi.
Patrehi.
Patra becomes Patrahi. What Karaka is Patra?
Tritiya.
Vibhakti you find. Tritiya. Karaka is
Karanakaraka.
Karana. Tritiya. Karana Karaka. Tritiya. Karana Karaka. Therefore Tritiya. Patraihi Palani Chadayati Saha. Next one. Number 11. Hrade Amsa Divyanti. Divyanti means Kridanti Ityartha, right?
Shine.
Shine or to play. Div Dhatu has got so many meanings. You see the Dhatu Kosha. The long one, actually, the Sanskrit meaning you will see. The long one, that is important meaning we should take. Important meaning if you take, it is shine or to play. Div. Krida, Jigisha, Vyavahara, Dhuti Stuti, Bodha, Mada, Swapna Kanti Gatishu. All these are the meanings. Krida, one meaning is that Kanti meaning is the first meaning and the last before. The famous meaning. Krida is to play. Krida, Kridanam. Kanti, shine. That is what generally we take. So shining here. Here we have to take Divyanti. Divyanti, play. Who plays?
Hamsa.
Hamsa is Ekavachanam, right? Then how can be Divyanti? Yeah?
Yeah.
Saha.
It is Hamsaha. Hamsaha, you have to
Visarga
do the
is
Sandhi.
dropped.
Yeah. You have to do Sandhi Vichedanam. Hamsaha Divyanti. Kutra.
Hrade.
Kasmin Stane. Hrade.
In the pond.
Adhikarana Saptami. In the pond. In the lake.
Hrade.
Hrade Hamsaha Divyanti. Simple sentence. Then number 12. Ye Guru. Bala Nama Charam. Bala Nama Charam Nindasi. Nindasi Kriyapadam. What Purusha, what Vachanam?
Majjhima Purusha Ekavachanam.
So then who is the Karta?
Tvam.
Tvam Nindasi. Hey Guru, O teacher. Sambodhana, right? Tvam Nindasi. You criticize. You abuse. Not abuse, okay. You Nindana, you criticize. You scold. What do you scold?
Bala Nama Acharam.
Bala Nama Acharam. What does it mean, Bala Nama Acharam?
Behavior.
Balanam.
Huh?
Behavior of
Balanam.
children.
Behavior of the
Children.
children. Then what is the word? You have to split that.
Balanam.
Balanam.
Balanam Acharam. Not
Acharam.
Bala Nama. Girijaji, you cannot say Bala Nama. It is Bala
Okay, yeah.
Nam. Shashti Vibhakti.
Balana.
Ashti Bahuvachan.
Nama is a pratyaya. Nama is not a name. Bala Nam Acharam. You have to split there properly. Acharam Nindasi, the conduct of the children. You blame the conduct of the children.
Okay.
Number 13. Dasaya Kusume Dharayami. Dharayami, we saw. I, O.
Yes.
Aham dharayami.
Aham Dharayami. So, Dasaya means to whom it is Dharayami.
Given.
Yeah. To whom it is given. Kusume. Kusume, what is Kusume?
Flowers.
Kusume. Oh, then why Dharayami? Kusume is flower.
Smell.
Saptami Ekavachan.
Saptami Ekavachanam. So, in the Kusuma, I give Dasa. What? If Kusuma is Saptami, in the Kusuma, to the Dasa, I what?
To this Vidya Vibhakti.
It is
Karma.
Vidya Bhakti Dvivachan. I
I give two flowers.
offer 2 flowers. Kusumam, Kusume, Kusumani. You often forget Vidya, Dvivachana Rupam. Kusume is karma here. Dvivachanam it is. Don't think it is Saptami. It is meaningful if it is Saptami. Form is same. But what is the meaning here? Cannot take Saptami. Cannot be Pratama also. Because Dharayami already it is there. Aham Dharayami. Then Kusume is there. It has to be object. Agam Kusumam Dharayami, Kusume Dharayami, Kusumani Dharayami. Kasmai Dasaya. Understand?
Yes.
That's the one, number 14. Deshe Viran Pujayamaha. Pujayamaha, Karta is?
Vayam pujayam.
Once you say Karta is there, other word cannot be Karta. Kusume cannot be Karta. Agam is Karta. Then how can Kusume be Karta? You have to rule out the possibilities. 1, 2, 2, 2, 7, 1. 3 places, it's the same form itself. Rule out the possibility. Cannot be Karta. Cannot be Saptami. It does be Karma. Okay, that's okay. Pujayama. Vayam Pujayamaha. Vayam Pujayama, what or whom?
Viran.
Viran. Vayam Viran.
Dvitiya
Bahuvachanam. Kutra?
Deshe.
Deshe. Desha is a sthanam. So, kasmin sthane deshe. Adhikaranam. Patreshu Kama. Okay, not Kamalati. It is Kamalani. Typo.
Kamalani.
Okay. Patre Kamalani Bhavanti. So, Bhavanti, for which the subject is? Subject is what? Kamalani. Kamalam Kamale Kamalani. Kamalam Bhavati Kamale Bhavataha Kamalani Bhavanti. Kutra?
Patreshu.
In the vessels. What is the translation? In the vessel or the lotuses? Right. Then number 16. Nara Udadi Mati Kramyati. Kriya Padam is?
Udadhi.
Atikramyati.
Atikramyanti. Don't split Udadi. If it is Udadi, then Matikramyati. Then you have to split Mati. Then Kramyati. What is Udadi? Udadi, no meaning. It should be with the Prataya. Udadim. Udadim, once you make it, then Ati is there. Then Ati must be Upasarga to Karam Dhatu. Atikramyati. Right? So Atikramyati. Atikramyati means what?
Crossed over. Crossed.
Atikramyati is Kram Dhatu. Kram also Gatyarthaka Dhatu.
Atikraman. Like cross.
Kram Dhatu, okay. Kramyati is there. Okay, we have seen this Dhatu. Which Gana is
Yes,
that?
Guruji. It is
Devati
both in
Gana.
the first and fourth Gana.
Yeah. Yes,
Kramati,
first and fourth. We have 2
Kramyati.
forms. Yes. With the fourth Gana, it becomes Pada Dirghatam also happens. Kramyati you get. right? Kramyati, fourth gana. Yes, if the shap is optional, then what will happen? You get?
Kramati.
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 Kramati, I don't know whether it's Atmanepadi, you can check that. But Kramati is there. Kramati or Kramyati, for two forms. So here it is Kramyati. Kramyati means crossover, right? It is there in the word is there, you will see in Taittiriya. Etamannavayamatmanamupasangkramya sankramya etam pranamayamatman etam pranamayamatmanupasankramya it's repeated. Crossing over. So atikramyanti. Atikramanam. Crossing over. What? Atikramyanti. K and what?
Udadim. Naraha. Udadim.
Subject is Naraha. Men. Object of crossing over is Udadim. Udadi is Ikaranta Shabda, Hari Shabdavatu. Udadihi, Udadhi, Udadayaha, Udadim, Dvitiya, Ekavachan. Karma. Object of crossing. Okay, then number 17. Vriksham Nikashopa Vishataha. Nikashopa Vishataha. So, Kriya Padam you have to find out by splitting the word. Sandhi Vichedana.
Upavishataha.
Upavishataha. Yuvam
Upavishataha.
Upavishataha. Madhyama Purusha. Yes. Vriksham Nikasha. Meaning now.
Vriksham Nikasha.
You too. Upavishataha.
Sit near the tree.
Sit near the tree. Nikasha Samipe. Upapada Vibhakti. Vriksham is Upapada. Okay, next one. Anilena Tarunam Patran Yudadhav Patanti. Kriya Padam is
Patanti.
Patanti. Kani. Or whatever it is. Kani.
Kani.
Okay. Myself asked Kani. Therefore, Patrani plus Udadhav. What's Sandhi?
Yan Sandhi.
Yan Sandhi.
E plus U.
Patrani Patanti. Kutra. Can I ask Kutra? Then it's very obvious.
Udadav.
Udadi. Ikaranta Shabda. Saptami.
And Saptami.
Udadav. Means Patrani, the leaves fall into the ocean, river, whatever it is. Ocean. By what?
Anilena.
By the wind, breeze.
And the patra of
Tarunam, sorry.
Shashti. Tarunam Patrani. Patra of the trees by the wind falls into the ocean. Simple. Then Grihayorannam Bakshayami. Okay. Grihayorannam Bakshayami. Kaha Bakshayati?
Aham
Bakshayami.
Then what is the object of eating?
Annam.
I eat food. Now what is Grihayoho?
At home. At home.
Grihayoho, what vibhakti, what vachanam is that? Grihayoho.
Vivachanam.
Gruhasya.
Vivachanam of what? Vibhakti.
Saptami.
Saptami Dviva.
What is the meaning?
Two houses. In houses.
What's the complete translation?
I eat
in two houses. That's simple.
I eat two houses.
After eating in one house, I go to the other house. I also eat. So I eat. So grihe annam bakshayami. One griha. Grihayoho annam bakshayami. Griheshu annam bakshayami. What's the problem? Any problem in that?
Okay.
Yes. If your government is saying you can go in every house, you can eat this house, that house. This is what some brahmanas they do, no? After this, they go to the next house. Griha yoga, eat in one house. Grihe, in two houses. Griha yoga, in many houses. Even sadhu sannyasis also. So Griha Yoga in two houses. So Griha Yoga means don't think what is Griha Yoga? It's Saptami, just Saptami. It is not Shashti. I eat in two houses. He's just testing you by giving all these things. If Griha Yoga in two houses eating possible or not? Yeah, possible. Why not? Why should we only in one house? In this house I eat, I go to the other house, there also I eat. But not, of course, not at the same time. So I eat in two houses. Maybe morning breakfast one house, evening lunch another house. Okay. So Griha Yoga should not confuse. It's okay. Griha Yoga is testing you by giving Dvivachanam. Okay, next one. Vane Raya Ishun Guhanti. Kriyapadam is
Guhanti.
what is, you can see
Hiding.
here, many
Hiding.
words are there hiding. Achadanam, Chadayati, Gughati, all these dhatus for hiding. Similarly, Abharanam, Avriyate, Brunoti, Avrunoti, covering. Okay, so here, Guhanti, hide, conceal, cover, hide. Who is the Karta?
Ari.
Ari.
Pane. Ari. Bahuvachanam.
Arayaha,
Arayah.
Arihi, Araya, not a Vishnu, your enemies. Arayaha, Guhanti, enemies, they hide. Where? Hide, okay, hide where?
Vane.
In the forest. What do they hide?
Ishun.
Shoe. Arrows.
So therefore they hide the arrows in the forest. Like Arjuna did that in the tree. Before that, the Virata war, it takes up all the weapons. Virata Parvata. Guhanti. Medhesh Vindus Chalati. Sorry, Meghesh Vindus Chalati.
Chalati is the Kriyapadam.
Chalati is that, okay. Then?
Binduhu plus Chalati.
Not Binduhu, okay, it is.
Sorry. Meghesh.
Indu.
Indu. Indu means moon.
It is
Indu is what gender?
Pullinga, Guruji. Indu. Chalati.
Indu is Pullinga. But people name the girl child, girl child also Indu. Doesn't matter. Indu, the word is Pullinga. The person may be feminine gender, doesn't matter. But that's in Sanskritam, the word has gender. Nothing to do with the meaning of the word. The girl she may be a girl child. Name is Indu. Indumati. Indumati means Mati. What is the gender of Mati? Indumati.
Mati
Famous.
is Strilinga.
Strilinga. Induhu iva Matihi. Like the Indu, like the moon. The buddhi of a person is shining. Induhu iva buddhihi yasyaha sa indumati. Possible. Okay, Induhu is moon. Chandraha ityartaha. Another word for Chandra is, we have seen the very beginning, all these words. The
Shashi.
Shashaha. Shashi. Shashi is what? Shashaha asya asti iti Shashin. That is Shiva. Chandrasekhara. Shashi. Shashi also. Why it's called Shashi? Moon is called Shashi. Because you say rabbit moon, right? It is there in the moon. That's called Shashi. That is called Shashi. What is it?
Shashanka is after that.
And another word, Nishapatihi. Nishapatihi is like Hari Shabda. Pati Shabda alone is different. But Nishapati is like Hari. Okay, all these words are there. Induhu. Now Induhu Chalati. Chalati means moves. Now, where? What?
Meghe.
Megheshu.
Megheshu. That Megheshu is Saptami.
Saptami.
Bahuvachanam.
So therefore translation is,
The moon
previously we
goes
saw Munihi Tarushu Vasati. Similarly, Megeshu Induhu Chalati. The moon,
in the
Goes
clouds. Moon
in the clouds.
the moon
Amongst the
moves
clouds.
among the clouds. Say the clouds. Okay, whatever it is. The clouds, among the clouds. Next one. Agnis Taru Avadahati. Kriyapadam.
Avadahati.
Dagati,
Avadahati.
Avadagati, same meaning.
Avadahati.
See, this is a good example where the Upasarga doesn't alter the meaning. It retains the same meaning only. Dagati, Avadagati. Whereas Gachati, Avagachati meaning is different. Okay.
Opposite.
But here it is same. Dagati, Avadagati, burns. What burns what?
Agnihi
Yeah.
Agnihi Taru. Two times.
Taru
Taru.
Apadati.
So Kriya Karta is
Agni.
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 Agnihi. Agnihi Dagati. Avadagati. Okay, fine. What? What is the object?
Taru.
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 Two
What is
trees.
Taru? Two trees, yes. That's important. Taruhu, Taru, Taravaha, Tarum, Taru,
Taru.
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 Okay, I will ask another question here. Sandhi. Taru plus Avadagati. Here he has done Sandhi for everything. Why not here? U plus Avadagati should be done, right? Because the page is not it's not there. That's why he has not done.
Taro Vadhavati.
Not the Sandhi I'm asking about, not Taroha. Agnis Taru, U plus A. It should be Agnis Tarva Dahati. If you do Sandhi, right?
Dvivachane
Very good.
Prakriti Bhava will happen.
Prakriti Bhava. Remember,
Prakriti Bhava.
once upon a time, I think we studied
Hmm.
in the Dwapara Yuga, we studied, right? Remember the Prakriti Bhava?
Treta Guruji.
Sorry, Treta Yuga. Treta Yuga, okay. Remember Prakriti Bhava. What is Prakriti Bhava is?
Dvitiya
Vivachana.
Vibhaktis, they don't change the
Swabhavena
form.
Avastitihi Prakriti Bhava. We have seen two types. One is Pluta Prakriti Bhava. Other one is this. That Prakrigya Prakriti Bhava. Prakrigyam. The word you remember?
Yes,
Yes.
Guruji.
That Dvivachanam. Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Ekaranta gets Sanya Prakrigyam. And that Prakrigyam will not combine. So, Taru, Dvivachanam. So, followed by H. Instantly supposed to apply. Does not apply. Because Prakrigyam, Prakrigyatvat. Prakriti Bhavaha Bhavati. That is why he has not done. You please don't do it, huh? This Taru is, we leave it as it is. Taru. No Sandhi here. See, you have to see and you have to know the Sandhi. For every word, every sentence he has done Sandhi. Every word in every sentence he has done Sandhi. Why not here? Prakriti Bhavaha. Do you know it before or because I said you know it now?
When you said noticed.
Okay, find out now. Prakriti Bhavaha, remember. Okay. When Dvivachanam is there, you have to see what it is. Followed, if it is followed by Ach, then you have to be alert. Sandhi doesn't happen. See, if Vivachanam generally, I only three, Ikara, Ukara, and
Ekara.
Ekara. What are the Sandhi's possibilities? Just tell me. E, U, and A. You take only the three. Prakrikam only you take. What are the Sandhi's possible?
E and
For
U will be Yan.
E plus E for that possibility is one is N Sandhi, other one is Dirgha Sandhi. That will not happen. For Ukara, again, same, Dirgha Sandhi or N Sandhi, not possible. For Ekara, what will happen?
Pararupa or Ayavaya.
Ayadi Sandhi will not happen. Enga Padanta Dati will not happen. Pararupa Sandhi. Pararupa Sandhi, what is Pararupa Sandhi? Not Pararupa, okay. It is Pururupa.
Pururupa, sorry.
Ayadi or Pururupa. Doesn't happen, cannot happen, right? So all these sandhis are negated. That's why Prakriti Bhavaha. Okay, next one. Nripam Veeram Ghoshayati Kavihi. Kriyapadam is
Ghoshayati.
Ghoshayati.
Kaha,
Kavihi.
Kavihi. Kavihi Goshayati. What?
Nrupam Veeram Ghoshe.
What does it mean? Nripam Veeram.
King
Right.
It should
as
be
the
Nripam Veeram cha Goshayati, right? It should be.
No,
No.
he says the king is a hero.
Then what is that?
The Kavi, the poet, announces king is a hero.
What is that? King is the hero. Why? What do you say? Nripam?
Nripas
The
Veeratvam.
Huh? What is that?
King's braveness.
Bravery. He is described.
No. That is okay.
Adjective.
subject
Nrupam is
predicate.
Veeram.
No. So not. It is objective compliment. Remember, in the very first lesson we learned subjective compliment. Here it is objective compliment. Nripam Veeram means the Kavihi, the poet, the Goshayati praises the king. Nripam, the king, as
bravery.
his hero, as a hero. So Nripam Veeram, please see the first, second lesson. We have seen objective compliment. This is objective compliment. Okay. Next one. Bandhunam Grihat Narodhanam Chorayati.
Excuse me, Ji.
Hmm.
Nrupam Veeram, maybe it may be subject. Nrupam Veeram Ghoshayati Kavihi.
What is subject?
Nrupam is subject. Kavihi
if it
is
is
object.
Nripa is subject. Okay, Nripa be subject. Nripa is Akaranta Pullinga. Nripaha only can it be subject. Nripa is Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Oh, yes, yes.
Kavigi, how can be object?
Yeah, yes.
In Dvivachanam, we have Pratyaya.
Yeah.
We never have Visarga there.
Hmm.
Visarga, even in dream, not possible.
Yes,
Even
yes,
impossible for Bhagavan. Okay.
yes.
Because Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachana Pratyaya is So where is the Visarga? So it has to be Kabim, Ramam, Gurum, Pitaram,
Yes.
like that, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, next sentence. Bandhunam Grihat Narodhanam Chorayati. Kriyapadam Chorayati.
Chorayati.
Kaha
Naraha
Naraha
Chorayati.
Chorayati. What does he steal?
Dhanam.
From where?
Bandhunam Gruhat.
Gruhat Panchami.
Grihat. From the house. Whose house?
Bandhunam
Therefore, yes, relative's house. Then what is the translation?
The
Man steals money from the
wealth
house.
from the relative's house.
Most of the time, this is what happens when he steals from the non-people, right? From the wealth, from the relative's house. Shishun Santvayami.
Aham Santvayami.
Aham Swami.
What is Santvayami?
Console.
It's a good word. You can note. This is a 10th gana. Okay, Santvayati, consoling. You say consolation like that, consoling. Shishun Santvayami. Now that's what you are doing in the class. It's okay. Shishun Santvayami, consoling. How many Shishu?
Bahuvachanam Guru.
One itself difficult. Many is more difficult, right? Console. Consoling the children. Okay. Munir dasam na pidayat.
Munihi dasam.
Kriyapadam.
Munihi dasam na pidayati.
Kaha.
Munihi
Munihi na pidayati.
Kam.
Dasam.
So what is the translation? Not a difficult one. Okay.
I do not oppress the sage.
Torture the servant.
Seva.
Munihi na pidayati. The Muni doesn't afflict the servant. Any difficulty in translation this?
No. Yeah, few were a bit difficult, Guruji. Because you were telling us I could do it otherwise on my own. I would have got stuck in those 5 or 6
Sandhi is important.
sentences. Yep.
We call the Sandhi, whatever Sandhis we have learned. Almost, I think I covered all the Sandhi topics. All the Sandhi related So if you Sandhi, first you do Sandhi Vicheda, find out the Kriya Padam, ask question. That's the right method. Then only the language also will develop. Asking question, getting the answer. First Karaka answers you have to get. If it doesn't fit into any of the Karaka, then you have to go for Upapada. Why Upapada we go later? Because Karaka Vibhakti, this Upapada Vibhakti, Karaka Vibhakti, Maliya, stronger. So Karaka Vibhakti first, then Upapada Vibhakti. From English to and Sanskritam we will do. We'll do in the next class. Please try this. In fact, we are doing Karmani Prayoga, right? If you can take this, it will be nice. First lesson we took. That's simple. Okay, we will do this later also. Karmani forms for this. We'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyavadaha.
धन्यवाद
धन्यवाद गुरुजी.
धन्यवादः गुरुजी.
धन्यवाद.